I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stunning black macarons. First, gather your high-quality ingredients. You'll need fine almond flour, powdered sugar, fresh egg whites, and granulated sugar. Remember, using gel food coloring is crucial for that deep black hue without affecting your batter's consistency. Also, ensure all your ingredients are at room temperature. This small step makes a big difference in achieving a stable and beautiful meringue. Next, let's focus on the heart of any macaron, the meringue. Begin by whipping your egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks that stand firm when you lift the whisk. Slowly incorporate your granulated sugar, which helps stabilize the meringue and gives it that beautiful sheen. Be careful not to overwhip, as this can make your batter too dry, or underwhip, which will result in a weak structure. Precision here is key for success. Now for the macaronage, a critical step where you gently fold the dry ingredients into your meringue. Mix until the batter reaches a lava-like consistency, flowing smoothly off your spatula and forming a figure 8 without breaking. This is also the perfect time to incorporate your black gel food coloring for that rich, even color. Once mixed, transfer the batter to a piping bag and pipe uniform 2-inch circles onto your prepared baking sheet, leaving about 1 inch between each. Finally, it's time for the resting and baking. Let your piped macaron shells rest for about 30 to 60 minutes, or until a slight skin forms on top. This helps create those signature feet. Then bake them in a preheated oven at a low temperature, around 300 degrees Fahrenheit, for 12 to 15 minutes. Once baked, allow them to cool completely on the baking sheet before carefully removing and filling them. Enjoy your perfectly crafted black macarons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.